Welcome to the Softaken JSON Converter, the easiest and most reliable tool to convert your JSON files into a variety of formats in just a few clicks. Softaken JSON Converter supports a wide variety of formats, making it ideal for different use cases. CSV format, perfect for data analysis in Excel or importing data into spreadsheets. XML format, ideal for data exchange and enterprise applications. YAML format, great for DevOps and cloud infrastructure projects. TXT format, simple text storage for logs or documentation. Formatted JSON, easy to read formatted JSON for debugging. SQL format, ready to be imported into databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL. HTML format, perfect for presenting data in web browsers. Softaken JSON Converter takes the hassle out of file conversions. Step 1. First, launch the Softaken JSON Converter software. The interface is modern and user-friendly, designed for quick and efficient file conversion. You'll see a preview of your JSON file right here on the screen. This lets you check the data before starting the conversion process. With just one glance, you can see your JSON structure in detail, making it easy to ensure everything is in order before you proceed. Step 2. Now, let's move on to selecting your JSON files. Simply click on Add Files to choose individual JSON files, or click on Add Folder to select an entire folder containing multiple JSON files. The software will display a preview of each file you add. Softaken JSON Converter allows you to work with both single files and batch processing, saving you time when handling large amounts of data. Step 3. Next, it's time to configure your conversion settings. Choose your preferred output format from the list of supported options, including CSV, XML, YAML, TXT, SQL, HTML, and even formatted JSON. After selecting the format, simply click the Browse button to choose where you want the converted files to be saved. Whether it's on your desktop, cloud storage, or a different folder, you're in control. Step 4. Once you've set everything up, click on Convert All Files, Auto. The software will instantly start converting your files, handling everything automatically. It's that simple. In just a few moments, your JSON files will be converted to the format you selected, ready to use in your applications or projects. Download Softaken JSON Converter today and start converting your JSON files with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.